Good morning, y'all. It's Kenny with the Natural State Gardener again. Um, what I want to tell you this morning is just we found something out about our new pup. We've got a new pup here. Christina, if you want to show Dixie, come here, baby. We're not crazy about her name, but that's what she had at the pound, and so we really couldn't. She is a rescue. She is a blue heeler mix of some sort, but she is so precious and so sweet. And why someone didn't rescue her before we did, I have no idea. She was in the pound for about a month, and we've had her about a month. But I found something out about my dog this morning. Found something out about my dog this morning, and I didn't know it. And I never wear a ball cap, never wear a ball cap. But I thought, we're working on our yard day. My hair doesn't look great. I think I'll put a ball cap on before I do this video. Well, Dixie has been we chained her to the back of my little trailer right here because she's bad to run off, and we sure don't want to lose her. We had to chase her down for about 2 hours last weekend, or weekend before last. Finally found her. So anyway, we put her on this thing. Well, I came out with my ball cap on, getting ready to do this video, and she went ballistic. She almost choked herself, tried to run into the backyard, pulled the trailer. She pulled so hard. So apparently, whoever had her was mean to her, and they wore a ball cap all the time, because I never wear one and I've never noticed it before. But I have noticed the last few days that she's been a little bit skittish, like when we take her into TSC or Lowe's or Home Depot, anywhere we might take her. And I just think I just figured out why. But baby, it's okay. Daddy will not put that hat on again. I promise. I won't ever wear another ball cap around you. All right. What I'm gonna do today, probably the last warm day we're gonna have for a while.
You guys had some really bad light where y'all were. Sorry, I had to move.
But anyway, this is my fish pond koi pond.
Don't tell him how janky that was.
Deal that Christina wanted me to do. These are some tubs that the gas company left out at our farm when they did some drilling, and you've seen them before. I've shown them in another video before we actually got it into the ground. So we need a filtration system, and Christina wants a waterfall.
I'm trying to zoom in on the fish.
Here's what we had. So here's what we had. This is our old patio pond right here. We had this on our patio at our old house, and then we had it here, and honestly, it's been up there with Doggo, our other dog, and she's used it for a watering bowl. But I had a little brainstorm. This is our pump. Our pump is in the water, but you can see it's just a little pond pump. I think it pumps, gosh, I don't know, 240 gallons a minute or something like that. I don't know, it's a pretty powerful little